Rahim. This is a question I'm doing June 2013 and variant 41 and the question number is 3. Good question. We have a cliff here. You can see a cliff. Okay, it's a height is given here 40 meters cliff. Okay, and we mentioned that there is a boat at the bottom here. We have like this. Okay, example, and you throw a signal like this. It goes up and down. Okay. So he said that find the speed of projection speed signal. It reaches a height of 5 meters above. It means I'm looking for 5 meters above the height. Let's say when the word reach, he said reach. Whenever the word reach come, it means last speed 100% zero. It means okay. Reach means last speed zero. So 5 meters above the height he asking first. So naturally one particle going up, gravity for sure -10. Height is through travel is 45 meters for sure, and last speed for sure is 0. You know very well. And my target is for what is a starting speed. Okay, so you know we variables is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So let's talk about a is -10, s is 45, v is 0, and this is my question. Here I got -900 minus u square minus cancel. I got 900 root of both sides. I got 30 meter per second. I believe up till now you clear. Part number 2. I want to make thing clear. Both part 1 and 2 under the heading of the top. It means this 30 is utilized in part number 2. Whole data given on the top used for part number 2 even. So part number 2 data will not change. So it means the same. It means the same height it has. Height is again 40 meters. Okay, again it is launched from here. It goes and come down. And starting speed is 30. How you know 30, sir? Reason I said before, because data is same, situation is same. So this 30 will start for 30. Clear for the next part. It's going up. This is the time when it crossing the height of the cliff. So T1. This is called T1. Okay. This is a time, second time when it will reach. For example, it goes up and coming down. So what is the question? Find the length of time. Find the length of time when signal is above the level of the top of cliff. So level of, it means it's going up. When you reach here, your stopwatch on. Stopwatch on. When going up, so stopwatch is moving, and here stopwatch off. It means this time I'm looking for how much time it will remain above the cliff or cliff height. Okay, so plan is very clear. So what is this distance? I have to check it. 40 meters, very clear. Starting speed is very clear, 30 meters per second. All of you know. Going upward, gravity -10, and I'm looking for the time. So let's start. So very clear. S is equal to ut plus half or gd square or at square. No problem. So here we have a 40. Launching speed is 30. Okay, and half times to -10 and times square. So I got is 5, this 30t and minus 5t square, 40. It comes here, it's a positive. It comes here, it's a negative. It is already positive. Divided by 5, I got a t square, 60, and 5 is a 40. Factorization, I got a 4, 2s are 8. It is a very clear. You can factorize. Okay, time common, I got this, and -2 common, I got this. So ultimately I'm getting t -4 and t -2. I got 2 times. Time is 2 and time is 4. Sometime you can see the end of mark scheme, he write like this even. Okay, but time length he's asking, so subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2 seconds. It will take how much time it will above the height of cliff. So starting here, answer is 2, here 4. And what's the gap between them is 2 seconds. Above 2 seconds will stay above the height of the cliff. Last part is very interesting part and a little bit hard part. So let's talk about the last part. Attentive please. Again same cliff. Okay, same height it has. Height is 40 meters. Okay, but this time situation is a little different. Okay, let's talk about this question. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This wording is a little hard to understand. A man fires another signal. It means the first signal finished. No more use. In this question, we have this 30 speed gone. Now I have to send another signal. Okay. The signal above the level of the top of cliff is root 17. It means this goes up and comes down. This time from here till here, this time is actually root 17 seconds total time. Total time is here is root 17. I repeat my words. Total time above the cliff is root 17. Can I say this time from here to here is root 17 by 2? Is a very, very clear. How come, sir? Half time. Full time is root 17. Half time is going up only, I'm saying. So last speed for sure 0. This is called initial speed. Going up gravity negative 10. Now you say that what is going on now? I am going to find this speed. Last speed 0 from here to here, like a motion above the cliff while moving up. So this is my target. So let's find what is data we have given to I can say that V is equal to U plus AT or GT. Last speed is 0, I kept it 0 here. U I don't know, U is there. Gravity negative 10 and time root 17 by 2. It's cancelled. I got this is a U minus 5 root 17 equal to 0. It comes here. U is 5 root 17. It's a very interesting here. Can I see that speed at this place is this? Agreed? Interesting part. For here to here, this is called initial, this is called final. This initial becomes final for this motion. Again, repeat. Again. This is interesting. For this part, this motion, its final speed at this point is V. This V, for this motion V and this motion U, though are equal to each other. How come? I divided the full motion in two parts, right? Till cliff, I deal in separate mode thing. This till cliff. After cliff, I deal separate. Agreed? Till cliff, this initial speed is I got 5 root 17. I given this name V equal to 5 root 17. And this is U become my question. This is going up and going up. Gravity what? Negative 10. Height is what? You know that 40. Height is 40. So what I played a little trick here. The trick is here. This final speed, this initial speed for this motion, I took as a final speed for this motion. I think here. So this used my question. So let's apply. What is the formula you have? 2as equal to v square minus u square. 2 times to negative 10 and s is what? S is 40. Okay. So last, I think, last. So I can deal this one. Last speed is, we have here 5 root 17 and square, and u is my question. Okay. So this u square goes on this side, and this 5 root 17 whole square, this minus sign become plus. So 20 into 4 is 800. What? 800. Take the root. When I take the root of the whole thing, I think the answer is, check yourself, 35 meters per second. So actually the whole, what is the important thing here? I repeat again. Just wait. The important thing what? This speed from here to here, this is called initial speed. Agree? But for this motion, this final speed, initial speed, both are equal to each other. Actually I have done what? I divide the whole motion two parts. First stage and second stage. First stage, last speed is equal to second stage, initial speed. Is it okay? I repeat again. This is a key point only. This is a key point. So initial speed for the second stage equal to final speed of the first stage. This is a key point. Rest is okay and clip is over.